TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine is a leader in industries including chemical processing, oil and gas, nuclear power, pharmaceutical production, aerospace, and electronics manufacturing. Let's examine its contribution to pharmaceutical production pipelines. Pharmaceutical pipelines must maintain strict sterility to ensure product safety. The TATE welding machine creates contamination-free welds with precise, smooth seams, preventing bacterial growth and meeting global regulatory standards like GMP and FDA. Its automated technology ensures consistent quality, minimizing production downtime and enhancing operational efficiency. Whether used for transporting medicines, APIs, or sterile liquids, the TATE machine guarantees reliability and compliance in even the most demanding environments. We are the original manufacturer of the TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine, providing customized OEM and ODM solutions. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share our video. Contact us at info@oaktate.com to explore more about this innovative technology.